Today, I will share with you some of my amazing tips for making white rice on the stove. When you follow these easy steps, you will have perfectly fluffy and tender rice in no time. Measure 2 cups of white rice and rinse it severally in a fine mesh strainer under a running tap until the water runs clear. This step is crucial because it removes excess starch that can make your rice clumpy or soggy. Once you're done, add 3 cups of water to a pot along with half teaspoon of salt and bring the water to a rolling boil. Once it has come to a boil, gently pour your washed rice and stir it to spread it out evenly. Bring the mixture to a boil over high heat before reducing it to low and simmer for 13 minutes or until all the water has been absorbed by the grains. While the rice is simmering, make sure not to lift the lid or stir it throughout the cooking time. The amount of water you use when cooking your rice can have a big impact on the texture, so be sure to measure it carefully. Once the time is up, check on the rice to see if it is soft. You can see the rice is still hard in the middle. So I will go in with an additional 1 cup of water. And then cook this for an extra 6 minutes until the water is absorbed completely. Now that you're happy with the doneness of your cooked rice, turn off the heat and remove the pot entirely from the stove. Let me just show you the result. You can see there are no traces of liquid in the rice. So let's rest this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flop up the grains gently with a fork before serving it hot. Fluffing your cooked white rice ensures even distribution throughout every grain. It also helps to release the remaining moisture in the rice. And here it is, we have our white rice ready in no time. I hope this video has helped you to know how to cook white rice on the stove perfectly. You can give the video a big like and also share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time, I love to see you again. Have a good day. Bye.